Director of Global Experts for You and BizWiz Learning. We provide life-changing resources which enhances employability and entrepreneurship skills of individuals with the help of our innovative learning tools. These tools include business simulations, mentoring, workshops, courses, e-books, and other tools. We provide both online and offline programs which are powered by our innovative learning tools, including simulations. We also provide competitions, events which are based on simulations. We organize mentoring sessions, programs, workshops where students are enhanced and their business skills are enhanced. So our innovative learning tools help in not only honing the skills of students but also make learning more interactive, fun and engaging. As we know that human beings have great capacity to learn by oneself if we give them a good environment. So our innovative learning tools give them a good environment where they enhance their skills themselves. Right now the challenge is that information is abundantly available and the faculty's role has changed from disseminator of information to teach critical thinking. This involves use of a hybrid model. It comprises an engaging multimedia rich content mode of delivery to enhance the critical thinking of the students. So our products, for example BSG Online, the business strategy game, provides 3D immersive learning experience to the participants. And we have got mobile apps also to help learn students at their own convenience. Our clients like Pearl Academy of Fashion, EDI Ahmedabad, IITs, IIMs, corporates like Power Grid of Corporation have taken the route of innovation and are using engaging tools like business simulations which we are providing to them. This is also helping the institutes to differentiate themselves and in receiving the positive feedback from the students. It also helps in improving the quality of teaching. It also helps in improving the students' feedback, improving the quality of curriculum, improving the faculty's skills. So we help make learning more fun, engaging and exciting. Now let us talk about products. So our major products are, let us see this slide which will help you in understanding about products. So our major products are A. BizWiz Learning, workshop and mentoring. Then these are our simulations, SimVenture, which is a fantastic simulation for teaching business startups, entrepreneurship and business skills. It helps in enhancing business skills. Then BSG Online is a multiplayer simulation which helps in teaching strategy. Then another world famous simulation is MarkStrat, which help in teaching marketing to the students. We have got anti-plagiarism services in the name of eForus. We have got a portal known as globalexpertsforyou.com which provides tutoring and training to the students. Apart from that, we are also giving consultancy and we are also into curriculum development and quality management. So the major benefits of our program and our products and services are, we help in making learning more personal and individual. Our software, our programs help in analyzing the strengths and weaknesses of the students and individuals. We provide interactive and game-based learning. Our content is very rich and engaging and it is used by leading universities and colleges. We are providing many business subjects including marketing, entrepreneurship, strategy, finance. We provide mentoring, workshops, webinars on them. We also provide mentoring through our portals, BizWiz Learning and Global Experts Forum. Now talking about recent events and activities. Recently we conducted a competition at IIT Bombay, which the feedback was really awesome, and participants throughout the world were there. They were setting up their own business through our software known as SimVenture, and they were learning and competing against each other. Then we also conducted the event at Delhi University. Then another event at IIT Kharagpur where we conducted a workshop known as BizWiz Entrepreneurial Spirit Workshop. So this helped the students to enhance their entrepreneurial spirit in terms of thinking in a creative way and also understanding the business model. So these are some of the feedbacks given by the faculty. For example, one faculty, Mr. Gautam of IIT BHU, he described our program and simulation as really innovative and learning to do, ensure to work more on this stuff to enhance the quality of the teaching. Some of the feedbacks given by the students. So one of the feedback given by the student was, I learned more things like how to start a business, what are the things we use to start a business, and how to play a game like this. Please visit us again. These are our prominent clients worldwide, which includes Bridgemont Community and Technical College. So our clients include Pearl Academy, Maruti,